going to make some dessert. A Valentine's Day themed dessert.
Yes, if you are eating Valentine's Day at home, like I know some of you are, and actually like we used to when our kids were very little, because it was super hard to get a babysitter on Valentine's Day for some reason, we thought we'd help you out by doing some recipes specifically for doing at home at Valentine's Day. So this one is a big old cookie for sharing. In
a skillet cookie.
This will be fun. You need, you know, the standard stuff to make cookies. Bunch of chocolate chips, some softened butter, and a big skillet. So let's get going. Step one, preheat the oven to 350 and grease a 10-inch cast iron skillet with cooking spray. Ready, go!
Shh. Are you seriously gonna hold it in front of your face?
Okay, well I didn't want to get the counter.
Brave.
I didn't want to get the counter.
Here, I'll just do it over the sink. How about that?
Wuss. In a large bowl, cream some butter and the sugars with a hand mixer until light and fluffy.
Okay, sugar. Oh, and is
quarter cup brown sugar.
Okay.
It's kind of solid.
Whoa. Yeah, that happens to brown sugar.
Quarter cup packed brown sugar.
I'm just assuming it's packed because that's usually
it's more
what
sugar?
recipes are. Well, usually they say packed brown sugar.
Excellent. They should always say packed brown sugar.
Okay.
Brown sugar. Okay. And that's it for sugar. So go ahead and cream that together until light and fluffy. And then we'll put in the egg and vanilla. So it did take a little bit of time in the KitchenAid. It didn't look like it was going to turn nice and fluffy, but it eventually did. So if you have a hand mixer, you can hand mix it. Put on some beefy blades though, because it's going to take a while. Please don't do it by hand and call us that you now have arthritis. So throw in the egg and the what is it? Tiny bit of teaspoon, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract.
Don't use vanilla imitation vanilla extract.
Yeah, don't use imitation vanilla.
That stuff is not tasty.
I didn't even know there was a thing, but
yeah.
Evidently there's a thing and don't use it. Okay, so let's add in, we've got the egg and the flour. We've got the egg and the vanilla in, so flour and cocoa powder. And voila!
There we go. Okay, that's better.
Alright, so go ahead and throw in a cup of flour. By the way, this is one of the best ends for these things. It's the one with the little rubber blade on one side. It really scoops up everything on the bottom.
That was one of my Christmas presents. Thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome. Or you can do what I did, which is try and lift the bowl up and get it to scrape the sides and have it not eject and kill you.
Okay, cup of flour.
Alright, cup of flour. 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder. So 2 tablespoons of that, and then half a teaspoon baking powder. And then some red food coloring. And then 1/2 teaspoon salt. Here, you wanna do the salt while I dig for red food coloring? And it just says, oh yeah, 1 tablespoon.
Tablespoon?
TBSP. It's a lot of stuff.
That seems crazy.
Well, I mean, you could just, yeah.
Is it? I think it depends on the brand. I say just mix it until it looks red.
Wow, that's really jelly.
Yeah, this is like a concentrated baker's food coloring.
Alright, we're good. So now let's
This is really thick.
Fold in chocolate chips. 1/2 cup white chocolate chips, 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips. Ha 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 ha.
You're like the Cookie Monster over there.
There's one on the ground. You'll notice that I'm not going for it.
Waiting until the camera's off.
Literally waiting until the camera's off. I don't like the white ones as much.
I was just gonna ask if you like white chocolate.
Not really.
I do.
Ah, gee. Alright, woman. You're just doing it intentionally now.
I'm not, I swear.
I'll eat one.
Alright, and mix those in?
Well, fold them in.
Whatever.
So,
that's what the lock switch is for.
Okay, we're good.
There.
Yeah, you're squishing them all up. Okay, so spread the dough into the skillet in an even layer. Top with more chocolate chips.
Whoa.
And bake 18 to 20 minutes. Serve warm with ice cream and chocolate syrup. I'm gonna leave out the if desired part on that because
this is gonna be so rich. You're gonna do away with that or lick it or something. Just dump this in here.
Dump it in an even layer. Don't be putting mountain rises.
I can't believe how thick this is. This is.
Oh my god.
I mean, you know, yeah, it's cookie dough, but...
No, you could just hand me a spoon and I'd be happy. Like just a big bowl and a spoon. I am done for the evening.
I feel like this recipe forgot the milk or something. And I'm supposed to spread it out to the edges, I'm assuming? I mean...
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Because, you know, it's usually spreads. This is a struggle, dude.
The struggle's real.
The struggle is real. Stop eating all the chocolate chips.
I was gonna put them in here.
Oh, okay. as you throw some in your mouth.
I'm like, she'll never know. And I'm like, she's gonna edit the video later.
I really am just kind of throwing my chocolate chips here, aren't I?
A couple white ones to be removed later. All right, so look at this. This beautiful, you can't see that, it's beautiful. All right, we're set, and we will be back after
18 or 20 minutes. Okay, so we pulled our cookie out of the oven. It actually took about 20 minutes. Let's put some ice cream on it and eat it.
Let's do it.
I'm so excited.
All right, grab a huge heaping helping of ice cream. We'll take two.
Yeah, you need lots of ice cream.
Yeah, because this is a lot of cookie. You need a lot of ice cream. All right. Does that look good?
I think one more scoop.
Wait, just one over. There you go.
Okay.
Good?
Good, good.
Whoa.
Well, it's definitely cooked.
Mmm.
What do you think?
Delicious, of course. 90% sugar.
Mmm. That's really good.
Yeah, and definitely do what we do. Serve it very hot, like right out of the oven. Just slap it down, put some ice cream on. Because it's pretty thick, you want this to be, you want it to be warm. You want it to be that warm, melty, gooey. You don't want it to just sit out forever and kind of turn into a rock. It's gonna make it less fun.
And that did not take very long to make either.
No, super simple. I mean, it was 10 minutes to put together, 20 minutes in the oven, half an hour. Easily done, yeah.
Oh, do you guys want to come in?
Yeah.
Oh, all right, come on, taste.
Okay, we have more taste testers.
Here you go, buddy.
Chocolate chips.
Not just chocolate chips.
Good.
It's so good, right?
I want more.
Okay, pass the kids test. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!